ready to make your money work harder for you and build a secure financial future, all with a trusted name in banking. Today, we're diving into how you can effortlessly open a NatWest savings account right from your screen. Let's get started. First, head over to the NatWest website. Once you're there, navigate to the Savings section. You'll find a range of options designed to suit different saving goals. NatWest offers several types of savings accounts. Our online saver is perfect for everyday access to your funds, while fixed-rate savers can offer higher interest rates for money you won't need to touch for a set period. Consider the Help to Buy ISA. If you're saving for your first home, take your time to explore which account best aligns with your financial objectives. Understanding interest rates is key to maximizing your savings. On your chosen account page, you'll see the current interest rates clearly displayed, often including an AER that stands for annual equivalent rate, giving you a consistent view of your potential earnings. Before you apply, make sure you have a few things handy: a valid form of photo ID, such as a passport or driving license, proof of your current address, usually a utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months, and your national insurance number. The application process is designed to be straightforward on the NatWest website. Select Open an Account. For your chosen savings product, you'll be guided through a secure online form to input your personal details, confirm your identity, and select the account you want to open. Opening a savings account with NatWest means you're choosing a secure and reliable institution with a long history of trust. You'll benefit from competitive interest rates, easy management of your account via our mobile app or online banking, and the peace of mind that comes from a dedicated financial partner. So there you have it, YEURO, a simple, step-by-step guide to opening your NatWest savings account. Start building your savings journey today and unlock a brighter financial future.